welcome back and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my wash day. Today I'm gonna be trying out some new products, and then I'm going to show you a do-it-you way of making a deep conditioner if you do not have one at home. So stay with me and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Enjoy. I forgot to tell that I'm trying out some new products. Yes, so this is only hair experts. This damage repair shampoo. So I usually go in with the shampoo twice. I go through the first and the second wash, and depending on the situation I go through with a third wash. So I already washed off the shampoo, and this is the conditioner. I usually leave the conditioner on for about 3 minutes, wash it off, and then because I'm going to deep condition today, I'm going to reduce the time for the regular conditioner and then go in with my do-it-you deep conditioner. So here is it. I just went in with my regular conditioner, added a bit of coconut oil, and then I added a little bit of probably like a spoon of castor oil. Then I mixed it together to get my deep conditioner. So you can use this when you run out of your hair mask or deep conditioner. So what are you prepared?
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
So you apply it through all your hair, starting from the ends to the roots, and then you leave it in for about 2 to 2.5 hours. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go wash it off and then come back. Right? Hi again. So I'm gonna apply this shea butter using conditioner. I'm also gonna go in with this Fantasia Icy Gel Oil. Just
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not forget the cares of my life. Oh,
I also like to go in with some
miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my
shea butter.
mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling me.
So I put the dryer on the lowest heat and I just use my hands to go through my hair. I don't use a comb because my hand is better. So the ends of my hair have become really thin, and so I just have to, So I cut my hair, I cut the ends of my hair after every relaxer. And cutting your hair is actually really good for your hair because it helps. It stops the thinning at the ends so that it doesn't get to the roots. So this is not going to replace my regular cut. I'll still cut it when I relax my hair. I didn't really cut, I just trimmed, but I usually just cut an inch off. Yeah, small fuller. Yeah, so I was gonna curl my hair, but I'm gonna be braiding my hair tomorrow, so there's no need of it. So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to always wash your hair at least once a week and deep condition as well. And don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel.